The projection that places the view on quadrant E is a dash. Great job! American projection is the accurate answer. The cardboard scales are available in a set of dash scales. Excellent choice. Eat is the right answer.
Which type of engineering drawing would show hidden lines?
Strong choice. Detailed component drawing is the right answer. Method used for developing pyramids and cylinders is dash.
Perfect. Radial line development is the correct choice. The length to height ratio of closed filled arrowhead is...
Clear logic. Your choice 3-1 is sound and 100% true. The following are not part of geometric tolerance is dash.
Well picked. General tolerance is the correct answer.
In orthographic projection, observer is assumed to be at. Excellent. Infinity is a brilliant choice.
A symmetric length is equal to dash times the true length.
Correct 0.16 is the right answer, which is not the method for drawing the arc in AutoCAD. You chose 1 point, and it is correct.
The following is not a type of linear tolerance is dash.
You got it. Your choice geometric tolerance is right. Engineers dash everything in the engineering notebook. Correct response. Record and date is the most accurate answer. What angle do you use to draw an isometric drawing? You're right. 30 to 60 degrees is the correct answer. Dash command is used to make the copies of the object. Nicely done. Copy is a solid answer. The symbol of the H in the tolerance represents dash. Well done. Lubang Dasar is the right choice. How big should a border be in an engineering drawing? Nice work. You chose 10 Namanabiv, and it is correct. Engineering drawing is dash language of the engineers. Exactly. All of the above makes sense, and it is right choice. What are the steps in the engineering design process? Nice selection. Ask, imagine, plan, create, improve is the correct and valid answer. Yang termasuk skala perkisilan di bawah ini yaitu dash. Good thinking. 50 is the right answer. The standard 3 views commonly used in the ASA. Sharp thinking. Front, top, right is the right choice. Multi-review projection is a multi-angle screening. Bravo 6 is the answer. What does the symbol R mean in a technical drawing? Well reasoned. Radius is the correct choice. How many battens will be there for a drawing board?
Solid response. 2 is a valid choice.
Dash is used to draw curves which are not circular. Smart move. French curves is an accurate answer. What is the angle set out for isometric projection? On track. 30-degree angles is the correct answer.
Dash command is used to create the parallel lines.
Right again. Offset is a valid answer. The person who has created the drawing is called a great thinking. Draftsperson is the right choice. What does the standard abbreviation XAL stand for? Valid point. Center line is true. Which command is used for draw the filled circle?
Right choice. Donut is the best answer.
Isometric sketches are done on what kind of paper?
Smart pick. A symmetric paper is the correct choice.
Engineering standards followed by which standard?
Good job. Your answer SPE46 works well here.
The part that doesn't belong to T-square is dash.
You chose ebony. And it is correct.
Which command is used to draw the smooth curve?
Excellent choice. Spline is the right answer.
Dash type of lines is used for hidden outlines.
On track. Dash thick is the correct answer.
What constraint does the symbol represent?
Bravo. Parallel is the answer.
Which are the basic elements of dimensioning?
Nicely done. All of above is a solid answer.
Dash type of lines is used for hatching lines.
Good job. Your answer continuous thick line works well here.
Shop drawing is supplied in the form of dash.
Smart pick. Orthographic is the correct choice.
Most commonly used type of paper for drawing.
Well reasoned. Isometric is the correct choice.
Where is the title block typically located?
You're right. Bottom right corner is the correct answer.
Projection lines are drawn with the help of.
Exactly. Continuous thin line makes sense and it is right choice.
In command window, polyline written as dash.
Right choice. Full is the best answer.
Which is not the standard used in writing?
Well done. ASTM is the right choice.
A multiview sketch shows which 2D views.
Right again. Front, top. Right is a valid answer.
A 3 drawing sheet size is dash x dash.
Clear logic. Your choice 2976429 is sound and 100% true.
What is the learning outcome program?
Strong choice. Learning outcomes every semester is the right answer.
Is an example of dash scale drawing.
Great job. Full scale is the accurate answer.
Centerline style is look like dash.
Correct response. Dash is the most accurate answer.
Dash is example for reduction scale. Nice selection. 100 is the correct and valid answer.
Example for enlarged scale drawing.
Sharp thinking. Watch parts is the right choice.
Cartesian paper is made up of what?
Perfect. Squares is the correct choice.
Engineering drawing is a form of.
Well picked. Communication is the correct answer.
CAD is an abbreviation for dash.
Excellent. Computer-aided design is a brilliant choice.
What is course learning outcome?
Great thinking. Learning outcomes every semester is the right choice.
The size of a zoo drawing sheet.
Correct. 844 line 89 is the right answer.
What is the expansion of ISO?
Smart move. International Organization for Standardization is an accurate answer.
Polyline behave like a dash.
Good thinking. Single object is the right answer.
We can draw the arc by dash.
valid point. Start-end radius is true.
Which is 3 standard view?
Solid response. Top front side is a valid choice.
SWI line is also known as.
Nice work. You chose reference line, and it is correct.
A plane is.
You got it. Your choice two-dimensional object is right.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Excellent choice. Contact Narayan Changda is the right answer.